fleet 77. 77 is the diameter, 77 centimeters is the diameter of this fleet 77 parabolic antenna. Okay, the communication type in this is real time. That means you can actually shake hands with the subscriber. In case of distress, you can directly send the message to the RCC and convey your call and message. What all services you can do in this? You can do voice, that is telephony. Yes, you can do fax communication. You can also do data transmission at 64 kb or 128 kb. And you also have the EGC service available in Fleet 77. The only thing which you cannot do is the telex transmission, sending and receiving of telex. Now to switch on the equipment, you have to go to the on button and keep it pressed for few seconds, and then the equipment will initialize on its own. For initializing, whatever parameters are required, aligning of antenna, selection of the GPS position, then now it is waiting for NCS, Network Coordinating Station. It has selected Indian Ocean region. This is doing alignment on its own. The parabolic antenna is aligning, so with the azimuth and elevation, so it takes few seconds or minutes for the alignment to complete and the equipment to get ready. The moment you switch on the on off switch, the green light on power on will come on. Now it is aligning. You can see that green button in the center. It is glowing. The moment it has already logged in, waiting for the GPS update. Network Coordinating Station has given the common signaling channel, and once the complete equipment is ready, it will indicate that it is ready for further communication. That means you can either do telephony, fax or data transmission. Now after the completion of the alignment, we will do telephony distress. It is exactly similar to Inmarsat B, the telephony part. Let the equipment get aligned, then we will see. Now before the alignment completes, the GPS is already on. Before the alignment completes, let us see what more function we can do. There is, the moment you press change view, it will go to the email screen, where this screen is exactly similar to the email what you send. You can see the inbox there, the outbox there, the sent messages, and whatever deleted, the complete data can be, you can create a new mail, you can type the data and save it.
सर ये वर्किंग ऑफलाइन जो दिखा रहा है ये अभी कनेक्टेड नहीं है, इसलिए दिखा रहा है
Yes, it is not yet connected. Now you can, the moment you complete this, you can send by putting in the email ID. Okay, go back to the main menu, change view. Okay, now the equipment is ready here. It is already aligned, it has already selected the CES by default. Changing of the CES can be done by going into the menu. You can press the menu, and in this you can select the area, down arrow. You can select the LES, down arrow. You can, one more down arrow. You can select the mailbox, means whatever you can select in the help desk. This is the additional alarm log, status, super user. Now super user is generally a program which requires a password or a pin code, which is generally used by the manufacturer's representative during the repairs. We are using only the normal user, down arrow, service user, super user. Okay, and now if you want to come to telephone mode, you can press the handset on the right. Okay, if you press that, Go back to menu.
Exit.
Exit from the menu. Okay, now wait. You want to send the distress part. So in this case also there is double action. You pick up the flap. You pick up the flap on the distress one. Go to the distress red one on top, right hand side. Distress. The flap has been picked up. So one action is complete. Now keep the distress button pressed for at least 5 seconds plus. Now it is asking you whether you want to select the LES. You can select by default, or you can punch in the one which you want. Assuming 02, so select 02 up and down, okay, or 002. Distress calling is in progress. Now within few seconds you will get a reply from the RCC. See, it is telling you that the priority call, you can see that pink lamp glowing on the right hand side. Priority call is going on. Now priority means you will get a reply from the RCC now.
This is Rescue Coordination Center. Over.
Okay. Now as per regulations, you are supposed to send your distress message, Mayday, ship's name, call sign, Inmarsat, F number, then your last updated position, nature of distress, require immediate assistance, any other information which will felicitate rescue, over, master. This is the standard message, and if you want to disconnect, you can hang up again and the message is complete. Okay. Now that means you could do a handshake. You could do a handshake with the RCC directly in the distress priority. Okay. Now the reply what you got from the RCC was within the fraction of few seconds. That means as quickly as possible. Now if you want to go into the normal mode, normal telephonic call, the priorities here are again distress, urgency, safety, routine, but in Fleet 77 you can use only one at a time. The moment the routine is being in progress, if you are using the priority above that, safety, the moment you select safety by putting the safety 2-digit code, the routine will be emptied on its own and giving priority to safety. Same way, if you are using safety and you want to use urgency, safety will be preempted and urgency. Similar, distress. So 3210 distress, urgency, safety, routine are the priority signals, and they are selected on their own whether incoming or outgoing. The preempting of that channel is being done. And now we will do the routine call. Prior to that we will do the urgency, that is medical advice. So you can directly pick up the handset, it is already ready, 3232 hash. It is getting connected to the LES by default, and you will get a reply from the radio medical advice hospital authorities.
This is Medical Advice and Assistance Service. Over.
Now you can send your pan medical message with all the details of the patient, and over you will get a medical advice. Now you can disconnect if you want to go into the safety priority. In urgency again you got medical assistance with 38. Similarly you can use 39 for maritime assistance, 42 for navigational information. Okay. If you want to do a routine call, you can directly pick up the handset and dial the number. Pick up the handset and dial 00, automatic calling 55, that is Denmark, 69789, and then press hash. If the number is programmed within it, you will get a reply from that station. When the call is in progress, the yellow lamp is glowing. showing error 1102, that 03, that means the station number what we passing is not programmed. Okay, if the program number within this simulator is there, you can dial that number and you will get an answer back from that telephone device. Okay, now you can do the fax and email priorities by going to the data mode. Change view, exactly similar to your email inbox. You got the send items, you got the inbox, you got the drafted messages, outbox,
Sir.
delete, and
Why it is saying working offline?
because the moment you punch in the message, it will go. Now you are offline, you are not inside mode.
We are connected.
You create, see, you create, you go to send receive, go to send receive. Okay, now it is connected. There you can see on the right, connected. Now you get connected and you can type the number. It will take some time. And sending receiving is exactly similar to your email sending and receiving. Okay. Now
Working offline, yeah.
now again offline. You create a mail. You can type a mail. The numbers should be the one which are programmed inside. And then you can go on top and press send. Then it will go online. Okay. You have to punch those numbers which are programmed.
Number देना है.
Okay.
Very मजा. ठीक है.
Okay. And the moment if you send, you can press send now. Okay. See, the number is not matching. So that means you will have to send only the numbers which are there. Cancel it. Okay. You can program a new recipient like exactly like email.
Yes.
It's very simple.
So ये email switch करो.
You may ask the numbers which are there. You can try inside.
हाँ email दिया होगा.
Okay. Now
डाल के देखें.
you escape from this change view. You will come back to that. CC is you want to send email to copy to somebody else. BCC is third person, but BCC will not be seen by the initial. Okay. Okay. Now done. Okay. Now let us quit from here. To switch off, you will have to switch it off this window.